Touch day everyone. What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Zhiyun Weebill S gimbal. Alright, everybody talking about this one. So this is the best gimbal right now. So every photographer is looking for this one. You can use this gimbal for the mirrorless camera and DSLR camera. I always try to buy the good stuff, Buy good stuff is better than buy twice. So good stuff is always good for you. You can use for a long time. So this is very good. Amazing, unbelievable. So first everything's locked, you see. First you need to lock everything. I lock everything now. You can see it. Just lock. Okay. So I'm gonna test with my Canon M50. Alright. So first what you need is the base plate. Whatever you call this one. Okay. This one. And I put the screw. So this one comes with a 3 screw. But they're all the same size actually. So you're gonna put the screw. That is begin from the number 0 to number 8. So they put only up to number 1 to 8 because 8 is the lucky number. So that's why. So whenever you use the gimbal, you will always get lucky. So that's why. Alright. So this kind of hook you don't need for this camera. So I just remove it. So at least if you want to use the heavy lens, you might need this one. Otherwise you don't need this one. Alright. Okay. We just leave here. And also, so this one you don't need two. So it comes with this one, the small base. You don't need this one too. Okay. We're going to leave here. Okay. Let's get started now. So first you're going to put this screw here from the 0. Okay, this is very important. Okay, don't mess up. So this is the pace out. This is the pacing out. This is the pacing in. This is outside. Okay. So I can set up this camera in 1 minute. Okay. Let's get started. So very important to know here. Very, very important. Example. So this is the camera. So you know that your camera, which side is more heavy, So you see. So for example, this one. So here's the technique. So how to set up that. So first you look at your camera. So first you look at your camera and which side is more weight. Okay, this is very important. So example, this camera, this is the middle. This is the middle. This is the middle. So this way is more heavier than this side, right? And also this part is more heavy. Okay. So let me show you that now. So this one always outside. Like that. So you can use, you need a key, small key like that, or you can use the penny, or you can use the kitchen knife, small knife, okay, to tie the screw. Now you can see like that. So you can test it like that. So okay. Should be good around here. So you don't want to put this one all the way here. You don't want to put it. So you don't want to put the camera on the base, not all the way here, not all the way on the top, something like middle, like so. Depends on your camera weight. All right, this is my tripod now. So now we're gonna set up the gimbal. All right. So now what you're gonna do is we have to begin from the top to the bottom. Okay. So just unlock everything. So this is very important. Don't mess up. You see the sign here. This is always up. Okay. So if you mess up this one, you could not finish it, even though you try for 1 day. Okay. It's very important. Then you're gonna lock here. All right. We lock everything. All right. Now we need to put the camera outside to inside. They put the sign here actually. You need to push this small pin, okay? Now you have the clip. Yep. Then you release the pin. Okay. Now you need to lock this one. You need to lock this clip. Then lock this one. And lock this one. Okay. That's it. Now we're gonna unlock the gimbal. Unlock. Test this way. Up. It's very good now, you see? Okay. You see? Very good. Press down. Okay, this looks like a little bit heavy. And you pull the base a little bit out. All right, let me see. Should be okay. Okay, whoa, good, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, now I'm gonna unlock this one. Yep, I mean this one. I'm gonna unlock this one. One locks right here. I'm gonna unlock it. Okay, now we're gonna test. All right, now you see the camera is straight, right? You see I can put that way, I can put this way, and I can put that way. You see, I can put this way. Everything good, so far so good, okay? Everything's good. All right, now we're gonna, so now I'm gonna turn on the power. So make sure to, yeah, now, all right, so make sure you turn on your camera. And then now you see it says it's locked here, right? But you need to press this button one, this menu. All right, now turn on. So this is how to set up. This is how to set up and this is how to connect your gimbal to the camera. All right. So we're gonna screw this one. This to go up down. We're gonna go to the camera and click right. And since my camera is Canon, we're gonna click on the Canon. Okay. If your camera is like Nikon, Sony, what your camera, you're gonna connect over there, and you're gonna make sure you click on your camera. Okay, it's waiting. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to the wheel, click, go to the function, right click, e-focus, click. Okay, perfect. Now we're going back to the right here. Now we're going to go to the, now we're going to click on the motor, click auto. Now set your gimbal, check the level. Perfect. Now you are good to go. You can use the gimbal now. Now we're going to test the gimbal by pressing the button POV. Very good. Otherwise it's going to shake too much. Now it's very good. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to test the gimbal itself. Okay, now we're going to test the camera, how it looks like now. Now we're going to test it. Wow, amazing. See? Fantastic. Wow. Down. Right turn, left turn, stop, right turn, stop. Awesome. Return. Yeah. So this is how it works. You see? Very fast. I can set up in 1 minute. You see? Wow, fantastic. Go to the left. He know me, huh? He know me. Wow. Watch left. Watch right. Go up. Go down. Watch me. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Go back. Go back. Come on. Yep. Very good. Fantastic. Yep. Fantastic. Fantastic. This is much about it, guys. How you like it? Beautiful, you see? Okay, let me see. He wants to stay over there, so I need to push this button. Here you go. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much for your watching today. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below. If you are new with my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.